This is our tablet hardness tester for single station. The model number is TH1050M. This is M is for manual. In this instrument you can measure thickness, hardness, length and diameter and width of the tablet. From single run it can go for 4 different parameters. If you want to transfer the weight of tablet, you can connect the same instrument to the balance and you can transfer the weight from the balance to the instrument. So that is also available in the instrument. In this instrument you can store total 99 programs for different types of samples, and in each program you can run the sample from minimum 1 to maximum 99 tablets. In this instrument you can read thickness. The range of thickness is from 0.2 mm to 15 mm. The range for length or diameter is from 0.1 mm to 40 mm. 65 mm is optional available with the instrument. Then for hardness the range is from 2 Newton to 500 Newton. In this also 600 Newton is optional, and you can transfer the weight by connecting the instrument to the balance. So all these facilities are there in this instrument. So this is what is the main instrument. Here we have 40/2 line LCD display. These are all alphanumerical keyboard. By using this keyboard you can put sample name and batch number, and you can do the system reset, back, escape and enter by using this keyboard. So this is what is the display. You can make different programs by using this program key. You can add different parameters. I can select one number as a program number. Then you can put, by using this alphanumeric keyboard, you can put the sample name. Here already I have put as a Gelusil. Then how many tablet you want to run in a single run. You can put maximum 99. Here for demo purpose I will just put 2. Then these are the different form of tablet. Now today I am going to run a normal form, so I have selected 1. This is just for information. This will come on the printout. If you want to transfer the weight, you can say yes and you can connect the instrument to the balance, or manually also you can put the weight of tablet. Here I will just say no. So if you want to check hardness, yes or no, yes, I will check the hardness of the tablet. There are 4 different units for hardness. One is Newton, kilopound, strong corp and pounds. So what unit you want, you can select from these 4 units. So I will select 1. Now it is asking whether you want to check length or diameter. Yes, I will select yes. Then it is asking whether you want to check thickness, yes or no. Yes, I will check the thickness. And it is asking width. Here I will say no for width. So this is optional. As per your requirement you can select the parameters, and in which unit you want to check the width or diameter, in which unit. There are 2 different units, inch and mm. So I will select mm as a unit, and we have this limit entry just for passing purpose. If you know whether the tablet is within your limit, so you can put that limit as a value or in percentage. I will put as a value. So for hardness it is asking whether you want to put those limits, not less than, not more than, or both the limit you want to put. I will put here both the limit. So it is, I am putting here 100 as it should not, the hardness should not be less than 100 Newton and it should not be more than 300 Newton. Now it is asking nominal length or diameter. Whatever the expected length or diameter you have, you can put that diameter or length over here. Here I will put as a 16 mm. Then it is asking the limit for length and diameter. Here just I will put 1 mm as a limit. Then it is asking nominal thickness. So I have put 4 mm as a nominal thickness, and for that I am giving 0.5 mm as a limit. Now it is asking for sensitivity. This is just for instrument purpose. This we don't want to change every time. So this is 150 and all. This is the speed, at what speed that jaw will come out. These are the different speeds available with us. There are total 8 different speed. So now my standard speed is 0.8 mm per second. So these are the parameters we can save in the instrument. These are all one-time parameters. Only you have to save those parameters. And now when you want to run the system, I will just go for 2, which is for run. So here I am going to put the tablet on this platform. Here I will select program number. My program number is 1. Here you can put the batch number. You can put the batch number as 001 or whatever your batch is. You can put that batch number over here. So your sample batch number, you can put it over here. Then at what stage you have collected the sample, that you can put it over here. First stage, second stage or middle stage. So that you can put it over here. If you want to put the press details, you can put the press details, whatever the batch number or identification number is there for that particular press, you can put that. And if you want to put some comments, you can put the comments over here. So now it is asking initialize to home and load sample and press enter. Now this is a manual instrument, so I have to just put this tablet. Now first it will check for thickness. So now you can see here when I will say enter, it is asking place tablet in proper position to measure thickness and press enter. To read the thickness, I have put the tablet like this. See, in this position I will check the thickness. Now here I will say enter. Now you can see over here the jaw is coming out. Now when it will go near to the tablet, it will reduce the speed. Now it will check the thickness. Now it has given the thickness of the tablet. Now it is asking place the tablet, measure the length and hardness and press enter. Now to check the length and hardness, I will just keep the tablet like this and I will just say press enter. I will press the enter key. Again that jaw will come out. Again near the tablet will be slow down and then it will first measure the diameter and it will break the tablet. This is what is the safety cover we have. I can just close that compartment so that tablet will not, after breaking it will not come out. So I can just press this cover and now it is asking for a second tablet. So like this, one by one you can do the all different tablets in a single instrument and in a single run. So these are all the different facilities what we have. This same instrument you can connect to printer and PC and you can take the printout of the run as well as program parameters, and same you can transfer to the PC. So all these facilities are available on this instrument.